The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital currencies offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The eminent digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own advantage temporary fad to advance. Notwithstanding, they're actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and gigantic exchange charges. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. As per Guaj Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could drift least cost around $1,499 toward 2022 in the couple of the following months end. As per estimated Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally depend on $515.84 as most extreme cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money estimate is by all accounts showing negative opinion. It might dishearten its financial backers cruising scarcely at $421.39 as least cost toward 2022 out of 1 year's end, as indicated by the major investigation and cost estimate. Independent of its reception, the BCH coin will more often than not face heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin money cost expectations that bulls might be back, the cash ought to wind up somewhat lower, say by 2023 $378. A ton of Bitcoin money figure improvements will go in 5 years in the long haul. In any case, its future exhibition will no doubt be connected with Bitcoin's presentation. Thus, an overall bullish forecast of $58.91 toward the finish of 2025. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to upgrade its advancement and improvement exercises, breaking liberated from the conventional method of activity. The group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta wire tipping bot, TipMapSpot, which empowers message clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. Bitcoin money cost today is exchanging around $385 with a coursing supply of 18,958,406.25 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $7,322,287,628. Despite the fact that the digital currency has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back in the saddle, as gathered by specialists. All the more significantly, the venture is doing a ton on the development and improvement front, clarifying that Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into obscurity. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past victories and validity the other digital money world with the similitudes and divided history among the two significant monetary standards. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $1,500 mark toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As aforementioned, Bitcoin money cost being the posterity of BTC, it is set to follow similar impressions in cost activity as well. Assuming Bitcoin cost is going upwards, the BCH value also will profit from that in no time. Numerous specialists prompt that it is smarter to stop your assets in BTC till you gather the most extreme and afterward redirect it to Bitcoin money cost for transient additions. With the market being totally flighty, gauging the digital currency cost is truly to a greater degree a bet in karma instead of an information-driven estimate. The last year was a distinct advantage for BCH as well as for the greater part of the monetary standards, including digital currencies along with fiat. World economies somersaulted radically considering the pandemic. The equivalent was the situation with Bitcoin money. BCH cost forecast from that point forward has begun drifting towards idealism than negativity. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on Bitcoin money cost for the drawn-out expectations development following it intently. Consequently, normal cost expectations for BCH remain very reassuring. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022. As per Bitcoin cash cost expectation 2022, beating the pandemic will assist with doing a great deal for the market opinion of Bitcoin money. Ready for a rise. Bitcoin money cost, as well, will parallelly run with Bitcoin on a similar bullish pattern. However, this is a transient expectation whether the Bitcoin money value conjecture will part from the pinnacle. What stays clear is that there's a reason to have hope without a doubt. In the principle, around 50% of the Bitcoin cash cost expectation 2022 is said to arrive at the base cost of $490 and $545 as greatest cost in the final part. The BCH value swings will keep on demonstrating a positive pattern and recover $550 mark according to our Bitcoin money cost expectation from January 2022. As of now, Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $372.08. The ongoing cost of Bitcoin money will transform into $640 in a year's time. However, it relies upon the general opinion for digital currencies over the course of the following months. The Bitcoin money cost estimate is refreshed on regular routine. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way ordinarily every several years. In the main portion of 2023, the Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023 is said to arrive at the base cost of $590 and $630 as greatest cost in the final part. Soon, possible, the finish of 2022 or the start of the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for heightened, particularly with rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets messing around. As per Bitcoin money cost forecast 2023, there is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight misfortune. Yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost energy and crosses $640 mark. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will manage the crypto market with an exhibition of cost fixed around $730 in the long term end. In the primary portion of 2024, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $680 and $720 as most extreme cost in the final part. Bitcoin money can possibly support and reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances according to our BCH cost forecast. There will be an uncommon change in the Bitcoin money cost conjecture when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost goes the distance and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money be actually worth 100x more than its until now all-time high in light of our BCH cost expectation. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $796 and $840 as most extreme cost in the final part. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost expectation, it would cost $850 in 2025 continuously and, in any case, this sort of hopeful assumption comes from two preconditions. 1. Bitcoin keeps on unbelievable assumptions. 2. Markets stay as positive as usual. Bitcoin money value forecast 2026. In view of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost conjecture, BCH cost expectation for the year 2026 is $905 in the following 5 years, very much like negative cycle. BCH conjecture helps in financial planning with perfect timing. In the primary portion of 2026, the Bitcoin money value expectation is said to arrive at the base cost of $810 and $890 as greatest cost in the last part. Is Bitcoin money 100% unknown? There are no insurers on this record as all the Bitcoin exchanges are recorded openly on the organization. Everything relies upon the sort of defects or infections that leak in through Scamster. Everything you can do is to protect doing your own reasonable level of effort. How would I introduce a BCH wallet? There are an assortment of outsider wallets for putting away and sending Bitcoin money. While picking a wallet,